Hey, what's up, everybody? Today I'm sharing you a new Premium Pro title templates. So you can use this title in your YouTube videos, video project, everywhere, no matter. So hope you enjoy it. So after installation, if you don't know how to install, so check this link, the top right corner. So anyway, after installation of these title templates, so you can drag and drop from essential graphics window. It's very easy to customize, and I provide almost every customization tools. You can change the font, text, font style, everything you can change, the colors, font position. So make this title more beautiful and use wisely. And if you want more creative titles, please let me know in comment box, and see you.